Located in Winkler, Manitoba, Meridian Manufacturing is a proven leader in quality storage and handling products for both agriculture and industry, as well as oil and gas and mining sectors. Meridian is committed to incorporating the latest technological innovations along with a drive to set the standard for manufacturing within their industry. In addition to this, Meridian has shown an incredible commitment to workplace health and safety within their operations and has been involved with MadeSafe for a number of years. Meridian has demonstrated a dedication to safety at all levels of the organization and truly embraces a culture of safety within the workplace. On behalf of MadeSafe, we would like to congratulate Meridian Manufacturing on obtaining their Safe Work certification. If you or your organization would like additional information on becoming Safe Work certified, please reach out to us at MadeSafe. We're here to help.